Gordy.
It's called Kenny contagiousness.
Where's the keys?
They're right in the middle, right there.
Where?
Right there. You see them right here. Look. See them? They're right there.
I don't see him.
They're right there. Here. Look.
Oh yeah, down there.
What do you got CAA?
I'm not falling.
So Gordy,
Just give me a piece of wire. That's hanging around you, Kenny. You get stupid. No, there's nothing I can do now.
where's your keys?
Yeah, well, that's
They're in the
far
cab.
From the tree.
I need a, what do you call it? A coat hanger. Go and ask the one for a coat hanger. You know what, please?
So this is you. This is all.
This one's all you,
I
big
know.
guy.
I should buy breakfast. Come on, Kenny. Just ask for a coat hanger. That's what you need. Kenny, don't be an asshole. Kenny, please.
Who's the dummy?
My leg is killing me.
Well, what choice you got?
Just go in there and ask for a clothes hanger. That's all I'm asking.
Have clothes hangers in the restaurant.
Why would a breakfast place have a
I
clothes
don't know if
hanger?
I can open it.
They'll have it.
Come on. I don't.
Gordy,
Yeah.
where's your keys?
It's in the cab.
Now, why would you do that?
Really stupid. Really stupid. At least I left the window open.
Oh yeah, you left the window open. Let's get a good angle of that window.
If I can get it over there.
You're a genius. Did I ever tell you you're a genius?
No, that's no such thing. There's no such thing. Albert Einstein couldn't tie his shoes until he was in grade 8. No such thing. No such thing as genius. That's fucking something. That's something.
Okay, let's go, Don.
Okay, I'm gonna go over to the dollar store.
Oh,
Isn't that something?
store's a good idea.
So Gordy, what happened?
Well, I'm stupid today.
Where's your keys?
In the cab, in the truck.
Why?
Because hanging around Kenny, something about Kenny. Kenny forgets, and it's very contagious. So I caught it.
Yeah, but the apple doesn't fall far from the tree.
Yeah, well, that's true too. You know?
Yeah, that's really true. So did you just call yourself stupid?
No, I didn't have to. Other people can do it for me.
You
Anyway.
can tell how mad you are right now.
Oh, I'm not bad. I'm not bad. Just dumbfounded.
You do a terrible job hiding it.
It's true. What do you mean? I can't hide that I'm stupid.
So your keys are gone.
They're not gone. They're in the cab. They're in the truck.
Good job.
That's all right. I have
And
the
you are
technology.
lucky.
I got the technology. See, at least I left my window open a quarter inch.
Yeah, a quarter of an inch. That's gonna do
That's all I need.
very good stuff for you.
That's all I need.
Oh boy. I'm not sure if we're allowed to film in here, so let's cut
Okay.
to
All right. Anyway.
when Gordy's
All right.
pissed
Thank
off
you very
again.
much. All right. You see? No, that's not gonna work.
We got the hook right there.
Yeah, this might work.
And you got this one. You can bend this one.
No, sorry. This is good enough, I think. Okay. Here, move.
Hey, it's you.
Huh?
It's okay, Kenny. You know what? You know what you can do with that? You can, you know what? All right, let me see. All right.
The butterfly is going away.
All right, guys. Let me get Walmart.
Yeah, all right. See you at Walmart, eh?
You may never see Gordy again.
Oh, that's true. Okay. Let's see.
Gordy, this hanger is right here. Come on, there's hangers right
Okay,
here.
that's enough. That's enough. No, that's not the kind of hanger I need. Okay.
So, genius Gordy locked his keys inside his truck. So he got this wire from the dollar store.
Yeah.
How is it?
Look at it. Looks not good.
Oh, yeah.
Holy jeez.
Oh,
Wait a minute. This is not good.
Where did you park exactly?
Here.
Oh, what am I going to do with this?
No. They don't want to break it.
Well, it's better than what you did with the hammer to the chair, I guess. Yeah. I'm gonna get stabbed with this time. Gory, do you know what you're doing?
Not really.
Guys, check out part 2 to this amazing.
Don't know if
I
can do
just
this.
love this story so much. Part 2 will be actually trying to get the keys. Here we go. And here we are, part 2
It's not really long enough.
of this
It's not long enough.
Keys Locked in the Truck series, which I love so much. Oh yeah, that seems to be working. Okay, that's working. Look at it. Tiny crack in the window. I'm sure, can you guys see? Oh, here. This is what I will do. This is what we call being creative, everybody. See, the keys are right. That didn't sound good. The keys are right down in there. Gory's trying something. I don't really know if you guys can see anything. Yeah, so the keys are in that left cup holder. And Gordy's not even close. Oh, damn it, we went over time.
Yeah, you're better off just trying to open this like that.
So he's trying to open the door. Since Gordy locked his keys inside.
You want to do it?
Gordy, what are you doing?
Just listen to me, Kenny. I'll tell you. I'll try to guide you. Gotta get this open.
This is Gordy's son.
Don't do this shit again.
Gordy, what do you think about all this?
There's no chance.
Yeah, I think we have to do a part 3 to this. This is awesome. Guys, we're gonna do a part 3 for this. See you on part 3.
Here, let me see this.
Don't bend it like that. Bend it in here.
Oh yeah, you guys are geniuses. You know, soon someone's gonna think we're breaking in. You know that, right?
It's alright. Let me
If the cops got caught, this one's on you.
think. All right.
So this is Gordy's son right here. What do you think about all this?
I can't get it through there anyway. I can't get it through. The keys won't go through there. You dummy. That was right in the first place.
Oh, well, I guess we're going to part 4 of this good one. It is a bug on you. Part I don't know of this stupidity.
Fucking stupid.
Yeah, CAA. You know, no, if he had called it, they would have been here by now. Okay, here. This is enough. Enough.
Come on, Kenny.
Enough is enough,
Okay, you're gonna break.
He just broke this.
Make sure that handle this.
What do you think about all this?
Behind the handle?
Yeah.
I am?
Yeah. Oh, will they get it? You were told to leave it there.
Maybe if I just hold the door handle and then you see.
Been there many a times.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well, at least I left the window open a little bit.
yeah, I used to lock my keys in the car all the time.
Okay, let me try something. Okay, let me try something. Here, let me try something.
Guys, if you're watching this video, oh, this is gonna be the best day of your lives. Oh yeah, you got it there. Oh yeah, good job. Wait, get it again. It's only broken like 2 times.
I'll see.
Yeah, let's just call CAA at this point, Gordo. Part, I don't know. So what's your genius idea?
Wanna go get another one? Fuck.
Yeah.
Where you going?
You really wanna know?
Gordy, what happened? Gordy, what's the situation? What happened? I think this is part 7 or 8 of this series. This is just amazing. Gordy locked his keys inside of his truck. So now father and son is gonna try and fix it. This is a good one. This is a really good one. These are the greatest videos you guys will ever see.
The first time is not gonna be the last.
Oh no, this definitely won't be the last time.
Where is it, gang?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
What happened?
I lost my keys in the truck.
Good job. I'm playing. This is the final part of this series of Gordy locking his keys inside the truck in front of the pancake house.
This should work.
Now, what's the idea here? Explain it to us.
Well, tape these 3 together,
Yeah.
tie that on the end, make a hook, and
Okay. Well, this will be very interesting, I must say.
Okay.
Okay. No injuries, please.
No. This will work.
Okay. Now we will go back to when we're attempting this stupid truck again.
Yeah, this will work.
Okay, so we got a game plan for this. Little more. To your right. Up. Left. Why do you have... Over more? No. He had there for a second, you guys. This is going to work. Come on, you got it. No. Father and son trying here. This is a real family.
Come on. Yeah, I'm not going to move. Get it out. You're wrecking it. Come on, get it out.
Yeah, he don't got it.
Please take it. Can you take it out? Take it out.
Great, you have to go to the washroom?
Come on.
Don't throw it in.
See what you're doing? You're wrecking me.
Come on, you got. So Goy just got a poop bag. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is a good one. Okay, I'm going to end this before Gordy gets too mad. This is awesome. Gordy, where's the keys?
They're in my pocket now.
Oh, you sure?
Oh, yeah.
Wanna double check that?
Never again will I leave my keys in
Yo,
the truck.
when we got back to the cottage, You almost drove into water.
That's because I left it in neutral. I almost lost my truck.
Oh, genius.
I put the emergency brake on, but then the truck kept rolling. I forgot to put it in
You see, guys, there's water in our backyard.
Yeah, unbelievable. Never again. Never again I leave my keys in the truck. You know what I say about that, eh?
Lesson learned?
Absolutely.